Good morning to all. On December 19, 2011, United Nations General Assembly declared October 11 as the International Day of the Girl. So today, we too celebrate the Day of the Girl Child. And on this occasion, we are going to view a documentary film.
Discrimination against girls in India has been going on since ages now. Even today, there are several sections of the Indian society where the girl child is treated as a burden. While several privileges are given to the boys, girls are often restricted to the confines of house and given very little or no opportunities to learn and grow in life. It is a matter of great shame that cases of female infanticide are still reported. As per the figures of 2011 census, there are just 918 girls in India for 1,000 boys. In such a scenario, the role of the government and NGOs becomes all the more important in order to ensure that girls are allowed to be born and flourish in life.
चिड़ैया नन्ही सी चिड़िया अंगना में फिर आजा रे ओरी चिड़ैया नन्ही सी चिड़िया अंगना में फिर आजा रे अंधियारा और लहू से सना किरणों के तिनके अंबर से चुनके अंगना में फिर आजा रे हमने तुझ पे हजारों सितम है किए हमने तुझ पे जहां भर के जुल्म किए हमने सोचा नहीं तू जो उड़ जाएगी ये ज़मीं तेरे बिन सूनी रह जाएगी किसके दम पे सजेगा मेरा अंगना ओरी चिड़ैया मेरी चिड़ैया अंगना में फिर आजा रे सितारे जड़ूं तेरी चूनर धनक सतरंगी बुनूं तेरे काजल में मैं काली रहना भरूं तेरी मेहंदी में मैं कच्ची धूप मलूं तेरे नैनों सजा दूं नया सपना ओरी चिड़ैया मेरी चिड़ैया अंगना में फिर
75 years of our independence, even today in India, we find female infanticide, female feticide, and gender discrimination. Daily newspapers are full of such news. 50% of Indians do not treat female as humans. Then, my dear students, parents and teachers, think of India without women. Think of India without Rani Lakshmibai, Indira Gandhi, Mother Teresa, Kalpana Chawla and Sania Mirza. Indians worship female god. They worship goddess Durga, Ma Bhavani, Ma Saraswati. But kill girls? To them, I would like to ask a question. माँ दुर्गा के भक्त कहलाते हो, कहाँ गई तेरी वो भक्ति जब लड़की को मार गिराते हो? Sex ratio in India is marginally decreasing. To 1,000 boys, we have only 800 girls. It is well known that behind every successful man, always there is a woman. Jizamata formed Shivaji, who founded Maratha kingdom. Jnaneshwara could not be without Muktai. Women are the pillars of the society. Everyone wants a mother, a sister, a wife, but not a daughter. Why? Why? Why is it like this? Indians are lacking behind because in India we kill girls. Gender discrimination has reached at its peak in our country and it has to stop. It has to stop now. I think people who do gender discrimination are the biggest terrorists. Are you one of them? Think.
in the arms of a lady. When I opened my eyes, the vision was shady. I heard her crying. The reason was me. He is the one because of whom I was a girl child. Despite of all, I looked at him. He is my father, and I smiled. To him, I was just one burden, a girl. I was her copy. My hair was thick with many curls. My mother kept on begging, "Please don't, please don't." He said, "You think she will help us? She won't, she won't." He snatched me and ran away, and out there was a cold winter day. He left me there in the dump of garbage. I smell like a rotten cabbage.
बेटियां बेटियां लड़के की तरह लड़की भी मुट्ठी बांध के पैदा होती है। लड़के की तरह लड़की भी माँ की गोद में हंसती रोती है।
करते शैतानियाँ दोनों एक जैसी,
करते मन मानिया दोनों एक जैसी।
दादा की छड़ी दादी का चश्मा तोड़ते हैं।
दुल्हन के जैसे माँ का चलोड़ते हैं।
भूख लगे तो रोते हैं, लोरी सुनकर सोते हैं।
आती है दोनों की जवानी, बनती है दोनों की कहानी।
दोनों कदम मिलाकर चलते हैं, दोनों दीपक बनकर जलते हैं।
लड़के की तरह लड़की भी नाम रोशन करती है।
कुछ भी नहीं अंदर, फिर क्यों जन्म से पहले मारी जाती है।
बेटियां 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 बेटियां।
Make me a channel of your peace. Where there is hatred, let me bring your love. Where there is injury, oh Father Lord. And where there's not true faith in you.
संकल्प बोल के हम तो निकल पड़े, हर द्वार खोल के गगन गए। विजयी भव विजयी भव।